Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to shop on the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some article suggestions. From here, if we found an article that we like and that we want to buy, let's say it's this jacket, for example, we can just tap on it, check it out. If we are sure about purchasing this, then we can select the color of it, the size, if it's standard or EU sizes, you can just select whichever you want, then set your size, then set the quantity. Here we have a little bit of description. This is a polyester material jacket, and then we can just tap on add to cart. And if we go to the cart, we can tap on checkout to finish the purchase, which is just another thing. It's pretty straightforward, the online checkout systems. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.